Assalamu alaikum, dear friends and colleagues. In this video, I will explain the instructions for using the Toshiba air conditioner remote control. This is the on-off button of the air conditioner, and with itself we can open and close the air conditioner. When the air conditioner is in the on state, this icon appears here. We use the mode button to change the modes of the air conditioner. This air conditioner has 5 modes: cooling, drying, heating, fan, and auto. Most people use the air conditioner for cooling purposes. For this reason, we start with the explanation of this method, of this mode. We press the mode button, and when the snowflake symbol appears on the screen, the air conditioner switches to cooling mode. In this mode, we set the temperature of the air conditioner to 22 to 24 degrees Celsius. With this button, we can raise the temperature, and with this one, we can lower it. When you want to save electricity, set the temperature above 24 degrees Celsius. Setting the temperature below 22 degrees Celsius is not recommended, as it can cause us to get sick. We use the fan speed button to change the fan speed of the air conditioner. The air conditioner fan has 6 speeds. Each time the fan button is pressed, we move to the next speed. And at the end, the word auto appears. This is the auto fan speed mode. When the fan noise bothers you in the bedroom, you can choose a low speed. As the speed increases, the cooling power of the air conditioner also increases. We press the mode button one more and see the water droplets symbol on the screen. This is the drying mode of the air conditioner and is intended for reducing the humidity in the house. We press the mode button one more, and the sun icon appears on the screen. This is the heating mode. In heating mode, we set the temperature of the air conditioner above 26 degrees Celsius. In heating mode, setting the air conditioner's fan speed to auto fan speed mode causes the air conditioner to work more efficiently, because in this case, the fan speed will be regulated by the microprocessor. The covering of the air conditioner's outdoor unit with snow will only occur when the temperature approaches 0 degrees Celsius. Additionally, let us state that in heating mode, the air conditioner will reach its nominal power within 20 to 40 minutes, depending on the air temperature. When pressing the mode button one more, we switch to fan mode. In this mode, the air conditioner works like an ordinary fan. We press the mode button one more, and the letter A appears on the screen. This is the auto mode. In this mode, the air conditioner always tries to maintain the set temperature. For example, let's say we set the air conditioner to 24 degrees Celsius in this mode. In this case, if the temperature in the room falls below this indicator, the air conditioner will work in heating mode, and if it rises above, it will work in cooling mode. We return to cooling mode by pressing the mode button again. The swing button is used to move the levers of the air conditioner up and down. To stop the levers in any position, the fix button is used. When the high power button is pressed, the fan speed of the air conditioner is raised to the maximum, and after working at this speed for 15 minutes, it returns to the previous fan mode. When this button is pressed, the fan speed of the air conditioner is lowered to the minimum. Each time the sleep button is pressed, we see the numbers 1, 3, 5, and 9. This is for planning the shutdown of the air conditioner. But at the same time, there is also a button he called comfort sleep. When this button is also pressed, we see the numbers 1, 3, 5, and 9. But these numbers are understood differently. That is, if these numbers appear on the screen, it means the air conditioner will turn off after that many hours. But here, at the same time, the temperature is also raised by 2 degrees Celsius. There is a very interesting preset button here. It is a known matter that every person has a favorite mode. Let's say you like 26 degrees Celsius and medium fan speed. If someone to keep these modes in the memory of the remote, it is enough to hold the preset button pressed for 3 seconds. If someone changes the modes after you, it will be enough just to press the preset button for you to return to your favorite mode. To set the clock of the air conditioner, we press the clock button, and at this time we see the clock starting to flash. With the help of this button, we first set the clock and press the set button to confirm. Setting the clock is for the correct operation of the timer. There are 2 timer modes in this air conditioner. Timer on is designed to start the air conditioner at a desired time, and timer off is designed to turn off the air conditioner. For example, let's say we go to work early in the morning and want our air conditioner to start, for example, at 6 p.m. in the evening. For this, we press the timer on button once, set the timer to 6 p.m. and press the set button, like this. Our air conditioner will start at 6 p.m. and will cool or heat our home until we arrive. To cancel this mode, it is necessary to press the clear button. Or we want to set the shutdown of the air conditioner to 4 a.m. For this, we press the timer off button and set it to 4 a.m. and press the set button. The air conditioner will work until 4 o'clock in the morning and then we turn it off. To cancel this mode, it is necessary to press the clear button. What does the filter button do? Sometimes people can forget to clean the filters. After a certain time, the air conditioner stops and seems to want to tell you to clean the filters. After the filters are cleaned, they are put back in place and the filter button is pressed. CHK here is intended for technicians and is used to investigate malfunctions of the air conditioner. Thank you for watching us until the end.